Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of Azure Every Day with Pragmatic Works. My name is Chris Saferlis. I'm a senior principal consultant over here. And today what I want to talk to you about are the key 6 business drivers for moving to Azure. The first is pretty straightforward. It's business growth, right? Are you experiencing new growth in your current sectors? Are you looking at adding additional sectors? Are you starting to see the reason to be able to think about adopting some of the cloud technologies and taking advantage of some of the other drivers we're going to talk about? If so, you're going to want to make a plan and outline how the cloud's really going to help you, right? You don't want to just jump in both feet and figure it out later because you can have cost overruns and things like that. So we want to avoid that at all costs. The second key driver is efficiency, right? You're going to remove the unnecessary steps that you need in order to get stuff done. Is that building a server? Is that adding a new application, right? You can streamline processes, you can increase productivity, and you can deliver both internally and externally much faster, right? Third is the experience, right? So you want to improve your customer and employee experience. And the cloud offers great opportunities to do that because you can deploy new technologies very, very quickly, right? And it also offers you more of a landscape to offer for new areas of engagement with your existing clientele or adding new clients. So by moving to the cloud and in the Azure cloud, it's going to help you have more of that capability at your fingertips. The fourth reason, or key driver, if you will, is agility, right? So the idea here is you're going to get improved responsiveness from your internal departments, your internal IT folks, your consultants that you work with. Because of flexibility of the Azure public cloud, you're going to get improved responsiveness. Software as a service or SaaS technologies mean much quicker solutions can be spun up and really help to enable your workforce to get things done faster. And if you make a mistake and you pick the wrong software, you're not stuck with a key software license where you're stuck in it for 3 years and you got to go to court to fight that battle. No, instead you just swap out that technology to really get a better fit for what works better for your business. The fifth driver is cost, right? And this is a big one when we talk about cloud. There are a lot of concerns around what the costs are going to be. Am I going to overspend? Understanding those costs, right? And one of the big misconceptions is that you're automatically going to cut cost. And we've seen over and over again that that's just not true. A lot of times you're restructuring how you're spending those IT budget dollars or whatever bucket they fall in, right? You're going to spread those costs out over time. You're going to more of a subscription model. So you're really only paying for what you're using. Gone are the days when you over provision a server and you need to bring in heavy workloads in order to have that capability for growth and scalability in the future. Now you can just buy what you need right now, use that service, turn it off if you're not using it anymore, and then continue to use it as it works most effectively for your business, right? And that sixth reason, or sixth key business driver, is really your assurance, right? Now you know that you have a best-in-class infrastructure. A lot of the maintenance that you were having to do for your servers and your IT departments were having to take care of is dramatically reduced. Not gone away completely, but still dramatically reduced, right? Security, it takes a completely different approach where everything is secure and you have to open items up by default, right? So, things like data encryption or communication encryption or, storage encryption, all those kinds of things, those are on by default. And in order to turn them off, you have to manually turn them off, right? So it's a different approach and it certainly helps with deploying some of these things. And then the last is really because of regulatory reasons, right? You can rest assured that with the regulatory requirements, policy requirements, those kinds of things, Microsoft Azure has already met many of those standards, and it's going to help you to continue to move forward and offer more services to your customer no matter what space they're in. If this is of interest to you, you'd like to ask some more questions, have a conversation about it, feel free to get in touch with us. There's a link below that you can follow. But otherwise, thanks a lot for your time. Have a great day.